Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. So today is the 1st of July. आधा साल पूरा खत्म हो चुका है. Let's just hope that the second half is going to be much better than the first half. And in general, overall, I just hope and pray that the world is able to recover from the pandemic. And yeah, I just hope for a better and a more positive world. So welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I am a lawyer based in Mumbai and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, reviews, hauls, a lot of fun, colorful and affordable content on my channel. So in case you are interested, hit that subscribe button and also hit on the bell notification icon right next to it. So आज के वीडियो में I'm going to be showing you all my June favorites. जून में whatever products I have loved using is what I'm going to be sharing in today's video. I think the last favorites video was the September 2020 favorites video. I'm going to link it in the description. You guys just might like that as well. But उस वीडियो में I guess मैंने max to max 6 से 7 products दिखाए थे. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to be showing you so many products, you guys. I can't even start counting कि कितने products है. तो basically Coke, चाय, कॉफी, कुछ भी आप लेके आ जाओ, get some popcorn or something, something with which you can just eat, drink and just sit and chill with me, because I'm sure you're gonna enjoy today's favorites video. So intro काफी लंबा हो गया है. Without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. So I have a lot of categories for today's favorites video. There is skincare, there is a lot of random food items, Netflix recommendation है, movie recommendation है, random items तो बहुत सारे ही है इस वीडियो में. I'm going in a random order, okay. फर्स्ट थिंग जो मेरे हाथ के पास मुझे दिख रहा है इज दिस वेरी यूनिक इयररिंग्स का सेट दैट आई थिंक आई गॉट फ्रॉम Flipkart, not Amazon, and I'm going to be mentioning the links of all the products I talked to you guys about today in the description box. You can see the ear studs are so quirky, so colorful. बहुत ही different designs के आपको यहाँ पे ear studs मिल जाएंगे. I think ये पूरा जो set था कुछ 250-300 रुपए का था. So obviously you can't expect like very superior quality. But अगर आप लोगों को colorful quirky ear studs पहनना पसंद है, you keep changing your ear studs from time to time and you want a good collection, you guys can definitely go in for this one, because obviously quality wise it's very plasticky and उतना अच्छा नहीं है. लेकिन एक ईयर स्टड अगर आपने केयरफुली मेंटेन किया, आपको इजीली 1 महीना जा सकता है, provided you wear it very nicely and you maintain it very nicely. Otherwise the colors are very nice, the designs are very nice, they are not heavy on your ears, and my ears are very sensitive, yet I did not have any sort of ear infection. Packaging is great, it's absolutely amazing. It's this pink colored heart shaped packaging which I love the most about this. Even if you lose all of these, आप इसी पैकेजिंग में अपने दूसरी इयररिंग स्टोर कर पाओगे. That is what I love about this earring set the most. Next favorite that I have for you from June month is actually a skincare product. I do have a number of skincare products to share with you guys, but makeup में मेरे पास एक ही product है, because makeup में आप लोगों को क्या दिखाऊं यार, हम लोग कहीं बाहर ही नहीं जा रहे हैं. But yes, skincare में I recently purchased this Nykaa Skin Soft Premium Cotton Pads, because I was running out of my cotton pads and मैं cotton pads से ही मेरा जो है makeup clean करती हूँ. So this is 100% pure cotton, soft and absorbent, enriched with aloe vera. Guys, this is true to every word. This cotton pad from Nykaa is so amazing. They are very soft, एकदम भी hard नहीं होगा आपके skin पे, and बहुत ही easily, gently आपका makeup remove कर देगा. Nothing else to say about this. You guys should definitely check out these cotton pads from Nykaa, and they are not very expensive also. आपको कुछ ना कुछ सेल पे ये जरूर मिल जाएगा. 3 साल का आपका expiry duration है, and yeah, that's about it. Now, the other skincare products that I wanted to show you guys are a lip balm and a hair oil. Now, the lip balm that I have recently purchased and I'm loving is this Miss Claire Butter Lip Balm. Now, you get 4 grams of product, and this is in the shade, जो शेड का नाम है ना मैं वो यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दूंगी, because I'm not very sure how to pronounce the name. Now this is such an inexpensive lip balm and this is so good, you guys. Look at the shade of this lip balm. Of course these are tinted lip balms. Generally use tinted lip balms only. Maybelline Baby Lips range में generally use करती थी. Recently मैंने Miss Claire का ये वाला discover किया, and look at this shade. It's such a nice subtle pink, you guys, and they have other very beautiful shades. I think they have reddish and orangish shades as well. बहुत ही inexpensive है, बहुत ही pigmented है, अच्छे से लिप्स को मॉइस्चराइज भी करता है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट लिप बाम एंड यू गाइज शुड डेफिनेटली check this lip balm out. Next skincare product is actually this hair oil from M Caffeine. This is their Naked and Raw Coffee Scalp and Hair Oil. Now this is what the hair oil looks like. You get a lot of quantity. You get 200 ml of hair oil and this is for 399 rupees. And this is very nice. This is basically for your hair strengthening, hair fall issues. Maybe ये आपको help करने वाला है. This will boost hair growth and this is also very good for nourishing your scalp. Now of course there are a lot of good hair oils from Mamaearth, from Wow as well, but why I like this one from M Caffeine is because this is in the coffee flavor. This has that beautiful coffee ka aroma which I personally really love and that is why I'm a little more inclined towards this product. Now let's move on to some makeup. So I have one eyeliner to share with you guys which I am actually wearing today. So I am wearing the Lakme Insta liner and this is in their blue shade. Okay, this is a water resistant liner and this is so extremely pigmented. So 130 rupees का ये है. Around 100 rupees भी कभी कभी सेल पे मिल जाएगा on Nykaa. Guys, you have to try out this liner in case you haven't tried this. If you want to just pop up your look, then you can wear these colorful liners from Lakme. They also have like a green liner in this range and black one, तो we all know about it. But ये वाला guys इतना pigmented है. Like this is a very popular product, I know, but I still wanted to show it to you guys in case you guys haven't heard of it or you haven't tried it. So this is what the pigmentation of the product is like. It dries absolutely matte and I love this liner, you guys. I mean, I haven't come across a better liquid liner than this range. So I think this is the best and the most inexpensive option that you can go for. And the next item is not really a makeup product, it's a nail paint. Okay, so this is the Masaba by Nykaa range ka nail enamel in the shade Raw 275. इसका सिमिलर एक शेड भी आपको मिलता है मसाबा के रेंज से which is the नींबू पानी शेड. वो भी काफी सिमिलर है. I am actually wearing it at this point so I can even show it to you guys live. This is what the nail paint looks like, you guys. Now this is basically a brownish nude tone का nail paint with pink undertones. I so completely love it. Like I think ये सारे स्किन टोन्स पे ना इतना अच्छा जाएगा. इट इज सच अ वाइब्रेंट गर्ली कलर एंड आई थिंक दिस कलर ऑफ नेल पेंट इज लाइक really in. So in case you guys are trying to find like a good shade of nail paint, you guys can definitely go in for this one. I actually have filmed a video on my nail paint collection. तब तक मेरे collection में ये नहीं आया था. अगर मैंने already मेरा nail paint collection upload कर दिया होगा, मैं उसको description box में आप लोग के लिए link कर दूंगी. Alright guys, now I'd like to start with my book recommendation. Now the book that I want to recommend to you guys is by Chetan Bhagat. It is a very important book. You should definitely read this book. Like this book should be read by people of all generations, all ages, and this covers a lot of important issues. This book, India Positive by Chetan Bhagat, is something which I think everybody who reads it will like it because this talks about some very important burning issues in our country. This actually has different chapters and every chapter is on a different burning issue regarding India. This is a very nice read, a very easy read. The language is not complex at all. You will not see very intricate, detailed, deep research into the topic. So if you're expecting that हर एक topic पे बहुत deep and intricate and बहुत ही in-depth research रहेगा तो आप प्लीज ये बुक मत पढ़ना. अगर आप लोगों को ओवरऑल एक आइडिया चाहिए एंड इस इंसान का ओपिनियन सुनना है जो मुझे लगता है कि मेजॉरिटी का ओपिनियन होगा, तभी आप ये बुक पढ़ना. I'll tell you certain issues that this book covers which I found so interesting I can't even tell you. So it talks about the anthem order, okay, like the order जहाँ पे हमें बोला गया था कि before every movie begins, every cinema hall has to play the national anthem and the audience has to get up for the national anthem. Like that topic has been covered here. We have also covered 50 Shades of Intolerance. We've talked about the topic of intolerance here. We've talked about the 2G scam. We've talked about GST. We've talked about Kashmir youth. Interesting topics, and I feel like this is going to be a very good read for people who like to stay updated about the current political scenario, the current scenario of the Indian society, the current issues that the government is facing. बहुत सारी चीजें इस बुक में brilliantly cover की गई हैं. But like I said, अगर आप लोगों को बहुत in-depth research चाहिए तो फिर आप ये बुक मत पढ़ना. So yeah, that's about the book. Now coming to my movie recommendation. Actually yesterday only I saw a movie named Gumnami. Now it's actually a Bengali movie. It has been directed by Srijit Mukherjee. Now for Bengali viewers watching me, like obviously you can go ahead and watch it anytime. Because English and Hindi maybe dialogues hai, but I'm sure that Bengalis will not face any issue. Now for non-Bengalis or for people who do not understand Bengali that well, do not worry. A lot of the dialogues are in English and in Hindi, and for the Bengali also you have brilliant subtitles, so आपको समझने में कोई भी issue नहीं होने वाला है, because this is not like a movie जिसका language predominantly Bengali है. It is a movie जिसमें Bengali dialogues भी है and Hindi English in fact ज़्यादा है, so everybody I think will be able to watch this movie and understand it. This movie is basically about the disappearance of Subhash Chandra Bose, like Netaji, right? Now we all know who he is, all know that there were certain mysteries surrounding his disappearance and what actually happened to him. Basically, this movie has been presented so well that you will be tied to your seat throughout the film. Like it's a very gripping movie. The way they've presented the movie is brilliant, and a lot of research has definitely gone into this movie. The actors have done really well, and the entire setup of the movie is like very original and very genuine. The lead actor Prashanjit Chatterjee I think has done a very fantabulous job, and he has just nailed the role, nailed the part, and I feel everybody should watch it because it is a very interesting movie. You guys, it is not a slow movie, and it is not like if you are not into political movies, you will not like it. Like everybody will like this movie just because of the way it's made. Now, coming to my web series recommendation, the web series that I want to recommend to all you guys is Friends from College. I think I talked to you guys about this series in my last vlog also. Now, Friends from College is such a fun series, you guys. Like it talks about all the confusion and all the mess regarding love, friendship, life and marriage and career and everything. And the best part about this show is that it is basically a comedy show. Even though they are showing you very serious things like extramarital affair and issues in friendship and adulthood and all of that, and how people evolve after college, even though the topics are very serious, but the way they have presented the movie, is a lot of fun. So it's pure comedy. Like comedy अगर आप लोगों को पसंद है तो आप definitely ये वाला series देखो. There are only 2 seasons for this show, and I think they have 8 episodes each, so 16 episodes, but 16 episodes of pure fun, pure laughter. I definitely want you guys to check out this movie. And also it is a very underrated show, but I definitely love it because it is so funny, yet they are able to show the normal issues that people face in that age bracket, and yeah, all the mess that happens around life and friendship and love in general. And yeah, so with that I am done with my book series and movie recommendation. Now I will show you the very random food recommendations. Like they are extremely random, okay guys, be prepared. And uske baad hum aayenge aur bhi random products pe, okay? So let's start with the first item. First thing which I want to show you is this Wingreen's ka mint mayonnaise. Now this is what this mayonnaise looks like. I love that it comes in a tube. So इसको किसी भी salad dressing में देना या फिर किसी utensil में भी डालना बहुत ज़्यादा convenient हो जाता है मेरे हिसाब से. I love the packaging. It looks nice and it's also very easy to use. You have 130 gram of content here, and the MRP of this product is 120 rupees. Now this has an expiry duration of 6 months. तो आपको 6 months में इसको use करना है. It doesn't have too much of quantity, तो आपको इसको जल्दी use करने में issue नहीं होगा. Now why I got this is because I recently had ordered steamed momos from either Wow Momo or some other momo outlet here in Mumbai. They had served the momos with mint mayonnaise, and I love the combination, and I thought ki mint mayonnaise will taste so good with some other fried or roasted items as well. So I just got this for that purpose. But abhi main isko, like I use this on my bread, I use this as a dressing for my salad. There are a lot of ways to use it, but in general I love the taste of this mint mayonnaise from Wingreen's. And Wingreen's has a lot of other kinds of dressings as well. Like they have the Thousand Island dressing for their salads, that is also really nice. Now the next item, the brand is Regency, okay? And you get 250 grams of almonds here, and the MRP of this is rupees 300. So for 250 grams of almonds you're paying 300, जो आपको Amazon पे I guess और थोड़े से सेल पे मिल जाएगा. Now trust me, this is very inexpensive, and the quality of the almonds is supremely good. Like they are so crunchy, so fresh to eat. I have 5 soaked almonds every day, like after removing the peel, and I am loving these almonds. Generally almonds बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं, बट ये वाले आमंड्स ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा इनएक्सपेंसिव है, लेकिन वेरी क्रंची, वेरी हेल्दी एंड वेरी फ्रेश. सो गो फॉर दीज आमंड्स. Next random food item that I have for you guys is this oregano from Snap-in. Now this is I think a relatively newer product, and ये भी मेरे last vlog में feature हुआ था ये वाला product. Oregano is something which you can use, I mean, in your sandwiches, in your salads, in so many things, also in your omelette, and I really like having oregano. Oregano भी in general उतना inexpensive मिलता नहीं है, but ये Snap-in वाला जो है ना काफी inexpensive है. 79 रुपीज का ये बॉटल है. Snap-in का चिली फ्लेक्स वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. They also have a pizza mix, so they have very good condiments and spices. So आप ये वाला brand definitely check out कर सकते हो. So I'm done with the random food favorites also. Now we'll move on to the random items that I have really loved in this particular month. So the first item is this evil eye neck piece. Now यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा light है, so I'm not very sure how clearly you can see the neck piece, but I will definitely put up a closer footage. वहाँ पे आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कि ये वाला neck piece कितना beautiful है. The MRP of this evil eye neck piece is actually rupees 2000, but I got it for rupees 400 only on Myntra. I will definitely be linking this neck piece in the description box. This is something which caught my attention when I was just browsing through Myntra one day. And evil eye neck pieces, evil eye rings, evil eye bracelets are something which are really in right now. I had a evil eye anklet जो मेरा टूट गया unfortunately, but this is something which I'm going to be maintaining very nicely. Last item for the June favorites video is actually a gadget. I generally don't do gadget reviews. I don't even show too many gadgets in my videos. Not go into an in-depth review, but I still have to give you a review and explain to you why I love this and why this is my June favorite and my permanent favorite. So this is the Amaze Fit. I think this is a GTS 2 Mini. If that is the name of this particular model, I'm going to be mentioning the name here, but I have to first check because I get a little confused. So this is the smartwatch that I purchased for myself recently. This has this baby pink band which I so completely love, and this has the squarish dial. Love this smartwatch. I'll tell you why. एक तो आप इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हो, notifications पढ़ सकते हो, you can have a lot of different workout modes in this, right? But I think currently why I'm using this a lot and why I really need this right now is definitely because workout, like workouts track करने के लिए. If I work out in the evening, I can track कि how many kilocalories I burnt and how much of duration of workout I did and what kind of workout I did. This also helps me find out my level of oxygen. So this also works as an oximeter. I am not saying that this is like showing the exact accurate figure, but I've seen a lot of review videos on YouTube and they've actually compared the reading of this watch with actual oximeters and they do match, okay? So ये काफी क्लोज है, बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट है कि नहीं, आई विल नॉट लाइक टू कमेंट ऑन दैट, बट दिस इज वेरी क्लोज टू द एक्यूरेट रीडिंग्स ऑफ एन ऑक्सीमीटर. ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू बी सच अ यूजफुल थिंग, बिकॉज अगर आप ऑक्सीमीटर में इन्वेस्ट करते हो वहाँ पे भी आपका 2 से 3 हज़ार रुपए डेफिनेटली जाने वाला है. सो आई थिंक आप ऐसे किसी स्मार्ट वॉच में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो जहाँ पे आपको दूसरी सारी चीजें भी मिल सकती है. हाथ पे बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है, इट्स नॉट वेरी हैवी, हैज अ गुड बैटरी लाइफ इज वेल, एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली गेट नोटिफिकेशंस फॉर लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट एप्स. आपको यहाँ पे नोटिफिकेशन जो है मिल जाएगा, एंड आई कंप्लीटली लव दिस. आई वेयर दिस ऑल द टाइम. नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स आप ट्रैक कर सकते हो, वेदर ट्रैक कर सकते हो, हैज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वॉच फेसेस. दिस इज द वन दैट आई एम यूजिंग करंटली. वेरी नाइस वॉच फेसेस इट हैज. यू कैन कंट्रोल द म्यूजिक ऑन योर फोन विद दिस. काफी अच्छे इंटरेस्टिंग फीचर्स है फॉर अ long time to invest into a good smartwatch. Of course, इससे भी सस्ते स्मार्ट वॉचेस आपको डेफिनेटली मिल जाएंगे, but after going through all the reviews and everything, I went in for this one and I'm really enjoying it. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I really hope and pray that the second half of 2021 works out to be the best for all of you all. Stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself and your near and dear ones. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be really soon. Till then, take care. Lots and lots of love, you guys. Bye bye.